Hello, namaste and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Gemini. Gemini people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Gemini, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Alright. Knight of Swords. Six of Pentacles. Gemini, this is your current energy, Knight of Swords, and Six of Pentacles is your partner's current energy. Okay. With this card, it seems like you are being somebody who wants to take certain action towards somebody or something, perhaps your relationship or perhaps your person. Okay, you are very eager to take some solid actions, you are desperate to take some solid actions, and you are being someone who don't want to waste a minute of your life. Okay, you just want to take action, I mean, you don't want to wait for a second. Okay, you just want to take some action and some solid actions. Okay. And perhaps it also happens for some of you that you have started taking action towards your person, towards your relationship, or towards something else in your life. It could be your career, it could be your goals, it could be your finances, it could be anything. Okay. On the other hand, we have Six of Pentacles. This is your partner's current energy. I must tell you, this person is very wise. Okay, because this person is somebody who has wisdom. Okay, this person knows how to share or how to give their importance or their time to each and everyone, be it you, be it their family, be it their friends, be it anybody else. Okay, they know how much amount of time and energy they need to give to the other person. Okay, so they have the scale in their hand. They know if they are talking to some stranger, they know how much time they should devote towards that person. If they are talking to their own family members or their friends or even you, they know how much time they should give to you. Okay, or towards their family, towards their friends. They are someone who is always available to for their family, for their friends, and even you. Okay, they are someone who is not biased. All right, so this person is somebody who is a giver, who always gives something to someone. Okay, not in terms of financial help or something like that, but yes, they are always available for their family, for their friends. Okay, they are always concerned about their family and friends. Okay. Sorry. Now let's see what you feel about them and what they feel about you, or how you see them and how they see you. Page of Cups. Okay, so whenever you see them, you always have this kind of feeling in your heart that this is the person. Okay, this is a person for me, and this person is not with empty hands. They have something solid to give me. Okay, you feel that this person has affection, emotion, attention, love, all the things which is required for a relationship to work. Okay, whenever you see them, you feel a sense of fulfillment. Okay, you feel that you have got your person in life. Okay, that's how you feel about them. On the other hand, with this King of Swords card, your person feels about you that, or they see you as somebody who is always in action zone or in action mood. Okay, you are king, you have this sword. That means you are someone who never afraid to take toughest decisions of your life. Okay, and you are also very mature. You know which people are allowed in your circle and which people are not allowed in your circle. You immediately cut connection with those people who are not good for you, for your mental health, for your life, and you are not at all sorry about that, and that is completely fine. Okay, so your person feels you as somebody who is very mature, very wise, very kind as well. Okay, now let's see what action you guys are taking towards each other. Two of Swords, no action. It's you, Gemini, it's you. You have two swords in your hand. You have a lot of emotion for this person. Okay, you have closed your eyes, you have closed your heart. It seems like even though you have emotions within you for this person, but you don't want to give that emotion to somebody else. That's why you have closed your heart, that's why you have closed your eyes. You don't want to see other person, you don't want any third person into your life. Okay, the moment you will hear your person's voice, the moment you will get to know that your person is around you, you are definitely going to leave these swords, and eventually your heart chakra will be open. You are going to open your eyes and see your person. Okay, so right now there is no action from your side. This is Magician card, and it seems like your person is completely into you. Okay, they have a lot of skills within themselves. Okay, they are someone who can, or who wish to create wonders, who wish to create magic. Okay, they really want to take some action towards you. Okay, by hook or by crook. Okay, they want to, they have, see they have all the skills, they have emotions, they have actions, they have plans, they have financial support. Okay, so it seems like they are ready to take action towards you, and they must be planning to do something for you, or they must be planning to take action towards you. Okay, now let's see what you feel in this relationship and what they feel in this relationship. Okay, Nine of Pentacles. Gemini, even though you always consider yourself as a very independent person, oh, okay, so even though you always felt about you that you are somebody who is very independent, who don't want anybody in your life, you are someone who is blessed with financial abundance. Okay, you have family, you have home, you have friends, you have everyone. But the moment this person has entered in your life, you have felt a sense of void within you. Okay, you felt that, oh God, even though I have everything in my life, but still I miss something. I still miss some emotional bonding, some affection in my life. Okay, so they are somebody who has ignite your emotions. On the other hand, your person is feeling as King of Pentacles and Three of Swords. With these two cards, I would say that this person is being someone who is protecting their heart. Okay, perhaps they have been through so many bad relationships in past, or it could also happen that perhaps it's you. Okay, Gemini, it's you who has no time for them. Okay, who want to take some action, but you are not able to do something for them, and perhaps this thing is killing them. Perhaps this feeling has made them as a heartbroken person. Okay, they have huge expectations from you, Gemini. That's what I feel. Okay, and the moment you, or I'm not saying that you are deliberately ignoring them, but yes, whenever they feel that you are not doing anything for them, they feel heartbroken. All right, now let's see what is the mutual energy and the future potential. What is the mutual energy? The Moon. The future potential is the Hermit. Okay, it seems like your person feels that you are hiding something from them. Okay, because you have closed your heart here, you have closed your heart, you have closed your eyes, and I told you that with this King of Pentacles card, you are being somebody who has, or who's not giving them enough time and attention. That's why this person feels about you that you must be hiding something from them. Okay, even though you must be talking to them, you must be uh, enjoying your conversation with them, but something is there in your life, something is there in your heart and mind which you are not confronting in front of them. Okay, what are your true intention towards them? You are afraid to disclose that. Okay, and the future potential is saying the Hermit. I think it's going to be you, Gemini, because I feel that the moment you will I think that the moment you'll start thinking about this person or start taking action towards this person, you are going to be more analytical. Your approach will be converted into very observant. Okay, you are definitely going to judge this person on every scale. All right, whether this person is good for me or for my family, for my friends, for my culture, for my state, for my home. Okay, what qualities this person has, or what qualities this person, what bad traits this person have. Okay, so a lot of things are going to happen with in this relationship. All right, now let's see what is angels guidance for you, what angels are asking you to do. Gemini, angels are asking you to listen to your intuition. Okay, don't be very practical. Okay, do not apply practical approach when it comes to relationship thing. Always listen to your heart, always listen to your intuition. Okay, now, so we have Pisces in this reading, the moon. We have Virgo in this reading with this Hermit card, and we have Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign in this reading with this Knight of Swords, Two of Swords, Three of Swords, King of Swords. We have water sign Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio in this reading with this Page of Cups. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn also in this reading with this Six of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, and King of Pentacles. And yes, so Gemini, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you very much. God bless you. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.